Machini kire nyaka Ramogi governors koro dwaro mondo mi piny owacho ket medo omenda ma ichulo sekta mar thieth e pacho ka. Ma oyange kinde romo mar riwruok mar governors e boma Mombasa. Governors gi koni po nitiere maduong' e sekta mar thieth ma nyaka koro wum. Bende gikwayo mondo orid chike mag okumba mar thieth mar SHA mondo kaontis oyud omenda mar thieth kochopo tarik 9 ma ok olewo.
It is Nairobi Mombasa Highway. And spread across the largest county,
Marsabit County.
As a county, we have tried.
This unit was formed to ensure that we improve our emergency services, and not only emergency services, to make sure that we improve our pre-hospital care and our hospital care.
I think a big plus that we are also seeing is the setting up of the National Ambulance Dispatch Center by SHA. So we are also working hand in hand with the SHA to ensure that this dispatch center is set up well.
Without SHA, there's some services probably for emergency care that the clients will have to pay. But you see, if even the ambulances are onboarded with the new emergency care that is coming to SHA, we will be able to benefit as a county. You see, now emergency care already it fits in the PHC model.